experiment, the materials needed are most of the current that flows in the wires goes to the bulb, so the bulb should be removed so that the current will directly flow to the compass.
This is how Oversted demonstrated the relationship between electricity and magnetism. If the power supply is turned on, the current will flow, and we will observe the compass needle. The compass needle should be affected.
If the electric current is switched on, we can see that the compass needle is directly perpendicular to the wire. Oersted had proven that magnetism is related to electricity, and because of these findings, there is a big hit in technical innovation. Let's look at how his discovery can be used by looking at a solenoid.
A magnetic field is concentrated into a nearly uniform field in the center of a long solenoid. The field outside is weak and divergent.
If we have some current flowing through our loop, a magnetic field is created. If we connect the wire to the power supply and then turn it on, we're supposed to have current flowing to the wire. We allow the magnetic field of the compass and the magnetic field of the coil to interact. We have now mechanical work.
The magnetic field of the current in the wire interacts with the external magnetic field, causing the loop to turn.
Oersted discovered that electric currents generate magnetic fields. The invention of the electric motor came about as a direct result of this discovery. The electric motor works by moving an electric current through a loop of wire inside a magnetic field. If a charge is transferred to the object at a given location, that charge is quickly distributed across the entire surface of the object. The distribution of charge is the result of electron movement. Since conductors allow for electrons to be transported from particle to particle, a charged object will always distribute its charge until the overall repulsive forces between excess electrons is minimized. If a charged conductor is touched to another object, the conductor can even transfer its charge to the object.
The transfer of charge between objects occurs more readily if the second object is made up of conducting materials. They see me